I just went downstairs to my storage locker to pick up my medium-sized suitcase. First things first, I'm going to give the suitcase a little bit of a clean. This suitcase has taken an absolute beating. This is the first suitcase that I think I ever bought as an adult, so it's quite old. And I actually haven't used it in such a long time because this is the first proper vacation I'm going on since the pandemic. And then also, anytime that I've traveled like between Canada and Australia, I've always taken my big bags. And now I remember what's wrong with this one. It's broken, the little zipper's broken. It may be time to upgrade and get a new one, but I'm gonna quickly vacuum this out as well. Actually changed my mind. I'm just gonna empty it onto the floor and then vacuum the floor. Yesterday, I started writing a little bit of a packing list. It has been such a long time since I've gone on vacation. I went back to Australia a couple of months ago. That was a little different in that there were a lot of hoops I had to jump through, and it was a home trip and I had a fantastic time, but this is my first proper vacation in about 2.5 years. And I'm really, really looking forward to it. I am leaving for Greece tomorrow. I am meeting up with some of my Australian friends and I can't wait to get there. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. My friend Christina and I, we met a few years ago in Melbourne, and she actually has a sailing YouTube channel, so I'll leave it linked down below. We're going to be getting a boat and we're gonna go sailing around Greece, and I can't wait. I'm so excited. So today I'm doing a full day of like vlogging and packing and travel organizing. So grabbed my suitcase, cleaned that out a little bit. I'm not ready to pack it just yet. One of the things that I have done in order to prep myself for my holiday is I got up this morning. I washed my hair yesterday, showered this morning. I am wearing a fake tan because I want to go there with a bit of a tan. Hopefully we'll come home with a tan. And right now I need to actually go into the Eaton Center and I need to pick up a few things. I need to go to Muji for some storage, like Sephora, Shoppers, H&M, and also my SD card reader just died, I think. So I need to go and buy a new one. Otherwise I won't be able to make any videos. And I have been filming so much the last couple of days and I just want to get these videos done. So we're gonna have to run off right now. Hopefully I don't forget anything. I may be able to pick some stuff up tomorrow morning if I really need to. But yeah, I gotta go and get this little shopping list ticked off so that I can come home and start packing. Almost everything that I want. I just realized I actually forgot sunscreen, like body sunscreen. I definitely need to get that. But I have some cotton pads. I have a travel dry shampoo. I have a regular size toothpaste just because I'm out of toothpaste. I have a travel toothpaste. I got a whole bunch of travel containers from Muji, and then I also got this mini loofah. It is adorable. Then I ended up getting 2 button-up linen shirts. This one is from H&M in like a blue stripe, just because I don't really have any button-up shirts like this, and I just wanted something I could chuck on like over a bikini, or just to cover my shoulders if I'm, you know, find that I'm spending too much time in the sun. I also got a white one though. They didn't have a white one at H&M, so I got it from Uniqlo. And then I also just happened to get this really cute little knit top from H&M because it's really cute and I tried it on and it looks amazing. And then I also got myself a Bounty chocolate because I haven't had one in for ages and I feel like it. That's all the stuff. I better double check my list though. Where is it? I got a white shirt, I got toothpaste, forgot sunscreen, and I was also trying to get a full-size container of my Kerastase samples that I've been using, but Sephora was out, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it before I leave, but I still have enough sample that I could squeeze into one of these containers that should do me for the trip. Now I feel like I should probably do all of my toiletries and get those out of the way because I haven't even started. Took all the labels off these guys. I'm gonna give them a little rinse wash and then we can start filling them up. probably wondering what I'm doing. I just figured it would be easier to just put all the containers into a bowl of soapy water and leave them there for a minute while I go and collect all of the products to put in them rather than trying to wash them individually. I think I have most of my products now to be able to transfer them into the containers. And all of the containers are rinsed. While they dry though, I'm actually gonna go and grab my clothing rack from in my room so I can start organizing my clothes. Bit of a problem. Whenever I organize and pack, everything ends up being the same color, which is not ideal. Obviously the only thing that has color is this top in here, but that's because this one is one of my favorite tops. I got this from Zara last year and I love how colorful it is. I wanted to get some more orange tops from Zara this year, but the two Zaras that I went to here in Toronto didn't have the size that I wanted and I didn't have time to order online, so I may be able to get a couple of tops in the bright orange colors that I want when I actually get over there, but everything is blue and white. I have two long dresses. So these are my two dresses I've talked about recently in my videos. This one is from Cotton On, this one is from Zara, and they are just the most comfortable, easy to throw on dresses, and so they are definitely coming with me. Next that I have four slightly nicer tops and then the two button-up shirts that I just bought. So what's that, 2, 4, 6 tops. I have this little white one, which I showed you in a video the other week because it's one of my favorites. This one I just talked about. This one that I just bought. This is a blouse that I got from Chic a little while ago and I just thought this might be nice with my white skirt. Could wear it out at nighttime. Then these versatile shirts that'll be great for daytime, chucking over a bikini. I have white pants. I have denim jeans. I have one pair of denim shorts and then this little white skirt that I got from Aritzia the other day, and then my denim jacket that I wear everywhere. So even though everything's a little color coordinated, most of this stuff are my absolute favorite pieces of clothing, except for these three. But everything else I wear all the time. Down here I've got a couple of pairs of shoes and I'm not sure what I'm taking. I'm going to probably take my white YSL bag. I'm just not sure if I should be taking a brown bag as well. I might take my little brown Pollen bag, but then I don't know if I should be taking black. My black bag is heavy and I just don't know if I'm gonna wear enough black while I'm there. Here on the couch is where I started to put everything. I have my pajamas, that's great. So that's one less thing. Gym leggings I will wear on the plane. I have a plain t-shirt. I guess that's just another casual top to wear. I have a pile of bikinis and swimsuits and I don't know which ones to take. This is also one of those really loose, flowy, like over swimwear skirts that I love. And then I just have these tracksuit pants, not sure about those yet. But I'm going for 10 days to Greece and then I have another 4 or 5 days so far booked, I guess, somewhere else in Europe, wherever I end up. But it could be longer and I don't know what to take. I'm giving up on the clothes thing for a minute. My brain is not working. These are taking a little while to dry, so I actually just started using my hairdryer to dry them out a little bit. These ones are for my shampoo and conditioner, and I think I'm probably just gonna label them by getting a permanent marker thingy and just writing what they are on the side. So let's do shampoo and conditioner. It's so neat and organized. I love it. Okay, let's start packing these into Toiletries bags. I decided to categorize everything and I've grabbed my 2 Toiletries bags. These bags are from a promo with Di Lorenzo hair care stuff from 2020. I got them from my hairdresser and they're the best bags. They're so good for traveling and toiletries. What have we got? Body, hair, toothpaste, I guess teeth, and then skincare and face. So I'm pretty much all sorted and I can start packing them. So it turns out when you use all these little travel size containers, everything basically fits into the one pouch, which is great. Although there's probably a few things still that I need to put in here, so I may still need both of them. And I can't find my toothbrush. Like I have a travel toothbrush. I took it to Australia, but I don't know where it is. It's gone. Anyway, for now, I'm going to put these in my suitcase so I can at least feel like I'm making progress. Okay, so I'm making progress. I grabbed a few more things out of my wardrobe just to see how I feel. This is the new top that I bought today, and I really, really like how it fits. I'm just gonna cut these things off and then cut the tag off at the back, but I like it. I can wear it with, yeah, every single bottom that I'm taking. I can do the denim shorts, the jeans, the white skirt, the white pants. I could wear it with all of that stuff, and I love it. I'm just testing out the white linen shirt to make sure that it's not too small. I think it fits really well in the shoulders. I have tiny shoulders, so sometimes my shirts, if they fit on the shoulders, are too small around the middle, and then if they fit here, they're too big on the shoulders. So I actually really quite like this one, so I'm gonna keep it, can cut the tags off this. And just trying the blue one. I really like the blue one. It's so cute. It's also got a pocket on it. Just to show you another outfit. So I got this white skirt from Aritzia last week, and again, every single one of my tops will go with this skirt. I can definitely get away with this little one. The blue one looks so nice. I am kind of a fan of longer sleeved dresses and tops in summer. I know it can be a little hot, but when they're really loose fabrics like this, I think it's just nice. And I can dress this up, dress it down, and that's one of my main points for packing. Whenever you pack, just try and pick things that will go with everything, so you can just create like 10 different outfits out of a few items. I love this top. Like, this top will go with so much stuff as well if I take it. So I'll probably take this top. I might take this skirt too, but I still feel like I'll probably pick up a few pieces here and there as we go around to different little stores and whatnot. Like, I might find some really unique, cool things, and I don't want to overpack my suitcase in case that happens. Yeah, so I'm not the brightest. I am still wearing fake tan, and I decide to wear a really tight white top. It's fine because I have to do a load of white stuff this afternoon anyway, so I can just wash it and it'll be clean. But like, honestly, why am I like this? I need to go and wash my fake tan off. Trying to pick out more stuff so that everything isn't blue. I don't know what else to take because some of this stuff doesn't fit me at the moment. So I don't know what to do. If I were to take any more dresses, they'd have to be white. I have this white one from Cookai. I have this white one from Avenue. I have more white pants. More white tops, bodysuit. There's these pants, but they're very thick and I just don't think I would wear them. Winter pants that need to be hemmed. This is a really pretty floral dress. It's just a very autumn floral. Winter tops, haven't taken those out of the wardrobe yet. More winter stuff that I haven't taken out. This top is really cute, but again, it's blue and I'm pretty sure it doesn't fit me right now. I could take this with me and wear that with some stuff, like this little green top. That's the problem. I get into moods of particular colors, and right now, I like blue. So that's the color I want to wear all the time. I managed to get the shirt on. Zipper is done up. It looks like it fits, but I can feel it really just in the back here. It's like super tight. The problem with this top is that there is a tie at the back. I can't move my arms past here. That's how I know it's too small, because I can't do the tie up and it just feels like I'm going to tear through it. So as pretty as it is, I can't take it. I feel like I should take this top. This is really adorable and I think it would look, well, again, it'll go with every single one of my bottoms. It'll go with the skirt. It will go with these pants. Oh, I love making sure that my items all match really well together. I mean, to be honest, this is what I do when I buy clothes. I try to buy things that will go with everything else. So I think I'm gonna take one green item with me to break up all of the blue just a little bit. Even the colors on the couch are the same. It's green, orange, blue, black, and white. I've had my shower, I washed my fake tan off, and then I've also ironed basically everything that really needed it to get out any major creases. Like this top, it needs to be ironed, especially this little tie at the front, otherwise it looks terrible. So I ironed everything. I know it's all going back in my suitcase, but hopefully if I roll everything, it won't be too creased, but it's time to pack it away. The next morning and I am almost done packing. I also have a special little guest here. I'm looking after my friend's dog for a couple of hours. This is Zoe, and she's absolutely adorable. And when she comes over, I let her sit on the couch because she's worth it. Yeah, you are so cute. Look at you. Anyway, so I'm almost done packing. All my clothes are done. Most of my toiletries and makeup is all done. I'm just trying to decide on shoes now. So I think I'm just gonna take these two bags, a brown one and a white one, and then probably these two pairs of flats. And then I wanted one pair of sort of heeled shoes that are gonna match my brown bag. So maybe plain brown ones, or the brown ones that have like a bit of braiding on it, or the wedges. I don't know. So I'm just trying to figure that out. And then all I have to do is do a bit of cleaning and organize my plants, and then I am good to go. I also made some progress with my electronic stuff. So I have my camera charger thing. I have a wall plug for 2 USBs. I also have my travel adapters. I have my little tripod, and then also a little connector for my phone, just if I want to film anything. I have my journal. I just don't know where the pen is. I grabbed a pen this morning and it's gone. So I'm gonna have to grab another one. And then I just need to grab my laptop, a couple other things, and I think I'm good to go. There's even room in here for my pen, which is awesome. So that's all extra organized. I do also have some antihistamines, which I guess maybe fit into this pocket here, just so in case I have a little flare up. I don't know why, I just sometimes have issues with allergies. And yeah, there we go. I think that's all organized. I'm just gonna grab my phone charger cables, and then I do have to have a call on my computer, and then after that I can grab my laptop and we are good to go. I should grab my laptop case, get that out of the cupboard. I just remembered down here I have this is one of my travel cases. Oh my gosh, there is my toothbrush. Are you kidding me? Oh, I was looking everywhere for this yesterday and I couldn't find it, and I just bought a new toothbrush this morning. And look, if my antihistamines are in there, that is so annoying. The hand sanitizer I had leaked over everything, so I think I'll just pick up a new one when I get to the airport. But I have some antibacterial wipes, I have some of the antihistamines, I also have a little nail file, I have a couple of regular masks, I also have one of the packaged 3M masks just in case I need it. I am going to throw out this toothbrush. It's all squished and it's kind of old anyway, so at least I have the toothbrush container so I can put the new toothbrush in here. And then I think that's pretty much it. It's like all organized. I'm all packed up now. This is my carry-on. It's so neatly organized, and all I have to do now is put all of my plants on my coffee table so Liz can come over and water them for me while I'm gone.